Oh, hear him roar! It's Squidgy the dinosaur! Let's draw some hearts for his sunglasses. That's right, he's so cool. He's got heart-shaped sunglasses. They are super electrifying. Drawing the outline of his face now, his jawline and his cheeks. And let's not forget his nostrils and his mouth, of course. Oh, he's a happy one with some teeth. Yes, roar! Now we're going to draw his tummy. Yeah! Then drawing his hands, a little bit of detail on the palm there. Round his belly. And the other hand. He's got 1 thumb and 3 fingers in each hand. And we're going to do some really cool dino talons. Yeah, look at that. Nice big dino feet. Don't forget the tail. And a star, because he's a rock star. So we need lots of stars around Squidgy the dinosaur. Hey, do you have a favourite toy? Or dolly, maybe? Yeah, me too. I used to love my dolly when I was a little girl. Right, ready to paint? Let's start with red. Go vibrant on the heart sunglasses. Yeah, fantastic. Then blue next. Blue around the edge of our hearts to make the red really stand out. And let's go for yellow now. We're going to paint Dino's hands and arms and obviously his body. We're just going to do the outer part of his body for the time being, side to side, staying in between the lines, all the way round. Oh, that tickles! He's very ticklish, you know. Tickles his belly when you paint it. You have to be so careful. Let's do his second arm now. Right into his fingers. There! Let's do his head now. Around the sunglasses. Painting his cheeks and his chin. Oh yeah, Squishy the dinosaur. Oh yeah, he can bellow and roar. Rock out! Painting his other cheek. And his nose. Going around your oval-shaped nostrils very carefully. That's it. Keep in between those lines. There, now pink. We're gonna do pink nostrils and a pink tummy. Look at that. It really stands out, doesn't it? Bright yellow and a brighter pink. Ooh, I just love it. Yay! Let's do some gold now. Gotta have a bit of gold on our tail. Yeah. The dino with the golden tail. Now, how about some silver? Why not? Silver teeth. And red again for his tongue. That's right, you guessed it. We're going to go peachy pinky for the rest of his mouth. Now for some brown, let's do his feet. Painting around those claws. Painting around those talons. And a darker brown, I think, for those. Yep, we're going to have some nice, strong, dark brown feet. Brilliant! Let's paint the stars. Green! Wow! Whoa, that looks so cool. Pink! Let's make it match his tummy and nostrils. What next? How about blue to match the rim of the sunglasses? You can choose any colours you like. We love to mix and match. And there you have it. Gorgeous Squishy the dinosaur. Yeah! Aw, so cute. Hello and welcome to the Dinosaur Land. We're going to draw and paint a gorgeous T-Rex. A kind of friendly, smiley T-Rex. I think so. So just drawing those lovely sharp teeth. Ooh yeah, I'm the T-Rex and I'll eat whoever is next. Ha ha ha. Those lovely claws. Ooh, look at that. The tummy. The leg and the foot. And the other one. This T-Rex is going for a walkabout. Some triangle shapes on its back. And ready to paint. We're going for a vibrant green colour, a dinosaur green colour. absolutely perfect for Mr. T-Rex. Using a very small-tipped paintbrush to carefully paint around those scary snappers and around the triangle patterns on the back. Lots of care to be taken here because there's lots of black lines that we have to stay in between. Careful with the detail. So take your time, no need to rush. You can always pause this video. The arms and hands and the legs and the feet. Excellent. You're doing a great job. Keep going. Brown we're going to do for the claws. Toes and fingers, of course. There! Let's go for yellow now for our lovely tummy. A yellow belly. All the way to the end of the tail and going for a darker green for the triangle pattern on his back. It's great to use different shades of the same colour. Always looks good. And there you have it, keeping those scary snappers white. Ready for his next meal, he's going walkies! T-Rex. Hey kids, guess what we're going to do today? We are going to learn how to draw a dinosaur! Just look at these curvy lines. Pause the video and copy it a bit at a time. Here we're doing the legs and the feet. And finishing off the tail. Some facial features, an eye, a smile, and some spikes. Some of them can be triangles, and some of them can be half a hexagon. Do you know what shape a hexagon is? It has 6 sides. And some spots, which are kind of oval shaped. Thickening up the black border. Ooh, we love it. It's going to look great when it's all coloured in. Some toes. Now time to colour in. We're doing a lovely green colour. It's almost a kind of lime green. We're using a nice fine-tipped colouring pen. You can, of course, paint, use crayons or pencils, whatever you like. What a great colour. Do you know about different types of dinosaurs? You do? Which one's your favourite? I love the Stegosaurus. Ooh, and the T-Rex. This looks like a very friendly dinosaur, doesn't it? What should we call her? How about Greenie? No. Okay, what about Samantha? No, that doesn't sound very dinosaur-like, does it? Okay, how about Gloria? How about I let you think of a name? So we're doing dark green for the spots. And now we're colouring in every other spike yellow. And orange in between. Orange and yellow. Ooh, lovely citrus colours. It's a very citrusy dinosaur. Oranges and lemons at the bells of St. Clements. Doing the toes yellow. And it's as easy as that. Well done. Hey kids, do you like unicorns and cats? Well, we're going to show you how to draw a unicorn cat. Starting with the outline, some ears, a bit of fur, nose, the unicorn horn, lovely, inner ears, eyes, some cheeks, a nice cheeky cat face. Now we're going to draw the outline of a cup. So our cute kitty is sitting in a cup. And the paws hanging over the edge there. And the handle. Oh, it's so cute. The base of the cup. And a face on the cup. Smiling, of course. We like a happy cup. Finishing off the last final details. Paws. Patches. The inner rim of the cup. And a smiley cat face. Don't forget the whiskers. And the eyebrows. There, ready to paint. Yeah, starting with sparkly pink. Let's paint the top part of the unicorn horn. And yellow. Yellow next to the pink. Yes, I think so. Turquoise. Turquoise can go next. Brilliant. Now for the red. Let's paint our mouth red. And pink. Pink can go on the inner ears. And the cheeks and the nose. Oh, and the little patches. And the paws. Yeah, gorgeous. Let's go back to yellow again. Yellow can go on the cup. There, let's make a gorgeous sparkly yellow cup. Bright, sunny, colourful, vibrant, happy yellow. Don't you just love it? What colour would you like to paint your cup? How about gold? You could even make it multicoloured at the front or put a pattern on it. Anything you like, really. Be creative. There. Now, some green. Green's going to go on the inside rim of the cup at the top. And some peach for the cup's mouth. A little bit of purple. Under the green, I think. Then red for the handle. Wow, this is really starting to look fantastic. What do you think, kids? Do you like it? Let's go back to turquoise because I love that colour. It's perfect for a finishing touch. Lovely. There you have it. A gorgeous unicorn cat in a rainbow cup.
Subscribe and watch more.